Good morning. Ira Epstein of Linn Associates with your morning flash update for this Tuesday, and we are now at the 19th of January 2020, about 8:15 a.m. Central Time. Not a lot of U.S. economic data today. I'll go through that in a minute. European data had quite a bit, but we walk into a stock market that's getting a jump to the upside. Today is the last day, full day of the President Trump presidency. Tomorrow's the inauguration, and we begin a whole new administration. The dollar is down on that. Janet Yellen speaks today before the Senate Finance Committee as her confirmation hearings begin. I'm hoping the question is asked of her, what about stimulus? We know that she'll be talking that she favors the $1.9 trillion stimulus package, but that's different than the infrastructure package that comes after that, and I think that's something that should be asked. I'm hoping it is. As you look at energy prices, even with the EIA talking about less demand, they show that the market will go into something of a deficit, actually, as the year progresses, assuming that the COVID relief takes place as it is going and that the vaccines get out there, and it gives room, if you will, to the producers to ratchet up some production to meet that demand. You can see in the grain markets down a bit at this point in time. Bonds and notes a little lower. We're looking at Bitcoin getting another bid today up about $1,700. And of course, as you look at what's going on in especially the currency market, a big rally in the euro. So have we, and are we beginning to get out of that malaise that we had after the first of the year of no trends, where the market was just doing one of these waves back and forth in the marketplace? I think so. I think it'll take the rest of the month for us to say, yeah, that's behind us now. The Trump administration is over. The Biden administration is in place. Whatever new is going to be new, and that's how things are going to progress. As I look, and I just said to you, Janet Yellen speaks before the Senate Finance Committee. When you go to German news, the ZU Economic Research Institute said that expectations are rising in January, and that's good. And that has to do with, of course, we know the lockdowns that are in place and the terrible amount of people that are being impacted, but people are looking over the horizon saying, okay, the vaccines are beginning to get released and they're feeling better. The statistics agency, I hope I say this right, the Status, reported today that consumer prices fell 0.3% by national standards, and they always talk EU harmonized standards because you got to look out of that, and they were down 0.7. Month-on-month basis, consumer prices rose 0.5% by national standards, 0.6 by EU, and automobile registrations in Europe, just absolutely terrible. It's the worst decline since records began recently, so that just gives you an idea of what that's all about. But that too will change. So the markets has to make a decision. What does it want to look at? And I'm hoping that one of the things you want to look at is some of the information I bring to you. This is my complete research package, and it has daily commentaries, twice a day, by the way, that are written by me. Then it has the video in the morning that comes with it, world news, and that is how I start you off. I start off my subscribers with the world news as to what's going on, what they should be looking for, where the buy recommendations are coming in, sell. I do that in my videos in the morning. And I think what you'll find is it's a complete package. You get your trading day going, you get ideas for entry, and the idea is you bounce your own ideas of charts and so on off of what I'm saying. If you don't know what window envelopes are, they're standard deviations that offer you resistance and support prices. You get this complete package, and you get a free trial, by the way. Just call our office or go to our website, sign up for Ira's Complete Research. It's free. If you've tried it before and you're not a subscriber, I welcome you to come back and give it another try. The year's just beginning. I'd like you to see what I'm doing. I think you'll get a good handle on it, and we'll see if it makes sense for you. I'm Ira Epstein. I'll see you at the end of the day. These videos are now for the rest of the month and going for quite a while. Now I'm back to my normal schedule on things. So I will be putting out weekly videos after this. Didn't do it this weekend as I enjoyed the MLK long weekend and took other plans for myself. You have a good day. Talk to you all later today.